How to use credit report error fix platforms properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Credit report errors can hurt your score, but most beginners use repair platforms incorrectly and fail to see results. The surprising truth is that small mistakes can delay fixes or even worsen your credit. The first mistake is not checking all three major credit reports. Errors can appear on Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion differently. Always review all reports to ensure nothing is missed. Another common error is not providing accurate documentation when disputing errors. Credit repair platforms often guide you, but if supporting documents are incomplete or mismatched, disputes may be rejected. Many users also expect instant improvements. Correcting errors takes time. Disputes usually take 30 to 45 days to process. Patience is key. Surprising mistake is ignoring recurring issues like identity theft or outdated accounts. Fixing one error without addressing systemic problems limits your credit improvement. Finally, beginners often overlook platform fees or subscription renewals. Missed payments can hold monitoring and dispute services, delaying progress. To properly use credit report error fix platforms, check all credit reports, submit accurate documentation, be patient, address recurring issues, and maintain subscriptions. Following these steps ensures effective credit repair and protects your financial health.